Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add yourself to a space in Jira. You'll learn how to open the people settings, confirm whether your account has been added, and assign yourself the administrator role, making it easier to manage a personal Jira space and access the settings you need. If your Jira site is managed by an employer, school, client, or another organization, you may not have permission to change the space membership or roles. In that case, contact your Jira or space administrator for assistance. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is navigate to space settings. To do that, click on the settings icon on the top right of the page. Click on spaces. Now on the Manage Spaces page, what you'll want to do is locate the space that you want to check. Click on More Actions here in the Space URL column, and then click on Space Settings. This will bring us to the Space Settings Details page. Next thing we want to do is take a look at current users. Now to do that, you'll want to open the side panel here, and then click on People. The People page will display current users set up in your space. Now notice how no users have been added in my space, even though I set it up myself. So just keep in mind that even if you create a new space, that doesn't automatically add you into it. So next step is to add yourself to the space. To do that, click on Add People. And from here, you can add by name or email address or add from one of these services. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my name here. And so since I'm set up in here, I can select my name. And then next you want to select a role. Since I set this up, I'm the only one using this and probably not going to add any other users. I'm going to set myself up as an administrator. On my website, I do have additional information about these two roles, but if you're setting this up for the job tracker project, just go ahead and select administrator and then click add one person. And now you will appear in the current users list as an administrator. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit simplesoftwaretutorials.com for step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching.